Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, how are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. I am going to start a new class, and the class is obviously for the students of class 9. And the topic is completing sentence. What is I have told completing sentence. You know, completing sentence is very important. Completing sentence is very important for our syllabus and lesson, because it is an important part. It is an important part. Whenever we follow some rules, it is easy for us to complete the sentences. That means you have to give a part of some sentences and you have to complete it. So the first rule, dear students, is that very easy to oblique to. That means to. The meaning is এতই যে পারে না. Meaning is এতই যে পারে না. And the structure is that subject, verb, to plus adjective plus to plus verb 1. That means present form of verb and object. Sometimes there will be object, sometimes there will not be object. And if we give example according to the structure, the sentence will be I am too tired to speak. Here subject I, verb am, to, adjective tired, to, verb 1 speak, verb 2 spoke, verb 3 spoken. And you have to give only I am too, but you have to fill up tired to speak according to the structure. That means in your question there will be given subject, verb and to, and you have to fill up adjective to, verb 1. This is the example of the according to the structure. I think you have known oil. And another structure, if I want to give you, the man is too foolish. Dot. What can I do? Too foolish to answer the question. Answer the question. This is the example of to. And it is always in the form of simple sentence. Here the two examples is in the simple sentence. Then another rules, so dot that, so dot that. That means it is also the same meaning এতই যে dot পারে না. The same meaning, but structure is different. The structure is different. Here the structure is that subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus can could, or cannot, could not plus V1 plus object. This is the structure. This is the structure of so dot 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 that. This is the structure. That means this is the example of complex sentence. Complex sentence. Here, if I want to give the example, the sentence pattern will be I am so tired that this part will be given for you. I am so tired that, or he has so intelligence. He has so intelligence. This kind of part will be given for you, but you have to fill up the other parts of the sentence. So if I follow the structure, subject I, verb am, so tired adjective that. Here I have to give subject cannot, could not, or can, could. Okay, so I am so tired that I cannot. I cannot speak. I am so tired that I cannot speak. That means I have followed the structure of subject cannot. Here am is present form, and that's why this is cannot. He has so intelligence that its meaning is তার এতই জ্ঞান আছে যে, its meaning is এতই জ্ঞান আছে যে, he has so intelligence that this is not the negative form. তার এতই জ্ঞান আছে যে that he can answer all the questions. That means to and so dot dot that express the same meaning, but the structure of the sentence pattern is different. So dear students, I want to say that it is not very difficult for you, but you have to memorize the structure of every pattern of completing sentence. Here next one is that number 3 I shall discuss. It is also the same as like as to so that, so dot dot that, and number 3 is that so that, in order that, in order that. The Bengali meaning is that jate, jeno. This is the expression jate, jeno. What is the structure? Do you know what is the structure? The structure is that subject, verb, object plus so that, or in order that, so that, or in order that. Again subject plus V1 subject plus verb, subject plus can oblique could plus verb 1 plus object. This is the structure of so that, in order that. Example, can you give me some example? Obviously you can, but this is the video class and that's why you are unable to give it. Subject verb, I read attentively so that. What is your motto? That means what is your objective? to read attentively. I read attentively, আমি মনোযোগ সহকারে পড়ি, so that again subject can put verb 1, so that I can get GPA 5. This is the highest mark of GPA 5, and that's why every student should try to get it by reading your textbook thoroughly. And this is the structure. I read attentively, আমি মনোযোগ সহকারে পড়ি, so that I can get GPA 5, যাতে আমি GPA 5 পেতে পারি. That means যাতে or যেন. This is the Bengali meaning. So dear students, I have taught you 3 patterns of completing sentence, and you know these adverbial words because you have done it in your simple to complex sentences whenever you have to transform the sentence, and in the completing sentence, this sentence pattern will be followed by you, and you have to complete the sentences. It is easy for you, and I think that you are very brilliant, and you can obviously fill up the sentence. So dear students, today I shall not go further. I want to give some examples of these 3 kinds of structures. That means to, so that, and so that. Please, you have to write in your exercise book, and after that you will give it in your respective group or in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, homework. She is so fat that I went to market so that, and the woman is too shy. Shy means lajuk. The tea is too hot for us. And I am too nervous. Here I have given to, so that, so that, and you can tell me that you have given 3 sentences of to. Okay, I am so nervous. I am so nervous. So dear students, today I want to finish my class here, and I will say that you have to read attentively, so that it is I think it is the important period of your life, because you are the students of class 9, and you have to sit for a very important exam after 1.5 years. So please learn it from the heart of your mind. Today I am going. See you in my next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.